Welcome. Today I will show you how to repair the common issue in the Xiaomi Redmi 9A if you not have audio in calls. First, change the language to English. Now go to apps, system apps, back, and search manage apps. Manage apps, and now search system UI, storage, clear cache, force stop, and system launcher, clear data, clear all data. And now go to service, phone service, storage, clear data, all data, and now force stop. And all you now need is reboot the phone, and it solves your problem with the audio. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, please write below in comments. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.